Hey Odoovers, welcome back to another video. So let's discuss about automatic alerts in Odoo 16 subscription module. Automatic alerts are used in Odoo to provide timely notifications and reminders to users based on specific events or conditions within the ERP system. These alerts help improve communication, enhance productivity, and ensure that users stay informed about critical activities and tasks. So let's see how can we manage automatic alerts in Odoo 16 subscription module. For that, you can just dive into the subscription, and first we have to create a plan. So here under configuration plans, you can create a plan. Here we can see the plans that we have already created, and you can see the quotation might expires after 1 day, and you can set a confirmation mail and invoice mail, as well as we are using the recurrence as monthly and using the product as software as a service because your company is providing or it's an IT company providing software as a product. Now let me create an alert for this. For that, you can just go to the configuration alerts and create alert. So here we might be taking the first month satisfaction survey of the product. For that, let's create an alert for that, and we have to create a rating rating satisfaction greater than 0, and that goes from the stage initial to in progress. And if a customer has moved from its initial stage to the next stage, he might be getting an email to check the rating of the subscription. Now here we are setting the timed condition in order to trigger that, and we will be considering the start date of the subscription. Now we can also consider another alert, that is, once we have taken the satisfaction survey of the client, and if the client is less satisfied on the subscription that we are providing, then he might be getting a call in order to discuss the proposal. So you can set the details in such a way, and we will be providing this activity to a specific user to handle, and that will be managed by the specific user machine admin. Now let's create a new subscription. For that, you just go to the subscriptions and let me click on new in order to create a new subscription. Here you can give the customer, and you also need to ensure that you have set the proper mail over here. Now let me back to the subscription, and under this you can choose the subscription plan. As you choose a plan, you can see all other details will be automatically configured here. And under other info, you can also set the start date of the subscription. So let me set it as 1st of July is the start date of the subscription. And let me, back to the order lines. And you can see that once you confirm this will be moving from the quotation state to the sale order state. You can see the MRR over here, that will be 1000. Yes, and it has moved from its initial state to the in progress stage. And under the alerts, you would be able to see, yes, we have just created a survey. And now we need to trigger an email to the customer in order to get the rating request, which means we are going to get a rating for the subscription. So for that, you have to properly set your outgoing mail server. So just go to the configuration settings, and you can see, just search for custom email. And under that, you would be able to see the outgoing mail, and you have to set the outgoing mail. And I have set the outgoing mail on here, and just click on test connection, and you would be able to see the customer might be receiving an email in order to get the rating. Now let's see, let's navigate into the customer mail. So for that, we are just going, and we can see that currently we haven't received any mails. So let me navigate into the Odoo platform itself. Now you can choose the technical. Under that, we can see emails, and here we can see one mail has triggered. Now we also need to get the rating request. So for that, let me navigate into the subscription module itself, and under the alerts, we need to trigger that. So you can just click on trigger now, and this would allow to generate a rating request for the customer. Now let me navigate into the settings, and under technical email, you would be able to see that an email will be generated. Now you can just click on send so that the customer might be getting a rating notification. Now let me back to the customer invoice, customer mail, and you can see the rating over here. So here we can set the satisfactory level of the customer. That can be satisfied, okay, or dissatisfied. Now let me choose dissatisfied, and you can give the feedback. Too bad. And let me send the feedback. So here you can see we can appreciate, they are appreciating our feedback. And now let me back to the Odoo platform, and we can see the rating in the subscription. Now let's navigate into the subscription module. Under that, you can see the customer has generated a negative rating, and you can also see once a negative review is done, then another alert will be generated there. Actually, it will be generating automatically, but due to some network issues, it's not generating. That's why I'm going to the technical and choosing the way of sending email manually. So let me navigate into the settings and again go to technical, and you can just send this order reference, and let me send that. Now the customer might be receiving another mail, and let's see that. Here you can see the mail and with all the details of the order reference of the subscription. Now let's back to the Odoo platform, and let's navigate into the subscription module. And yeah, here when you go to the alerts, you would be able to see a subscription is generated here with a call as a proposal. And when you back to the subscription, and let me choose this one, and when you just drag down, you can see the comment over here. And here, let me go to alerts, and let me choose this one and click on trigger now. Once you choose the trigger now option, you can see a call will be going for the subscriber. Now let me go back to the subscriptions, and here you can see as that alert is triggered here, the call icon is visible there, and when you just drag down, you would be able to see the discuss proposal is triggered for discuss proposal will be in due for 5 days for machine admin. So this is how we manage with the automatic alerts in Odoo 16. So hope this concept is clear for you. Thank you for watching the video.